Compound growth and decay. In this video, you will learn how to solve problems related to compound interest. Let's see an example. Robert bought a car for £5,000. If the car depreciates by 8% each year, how much it will be worth after 4 years? Now, let's try replacing the formula with the values in the problem statement. N equals £5,000 and N equals 4. The problem states that the car depreciates by 8% each year. Therefore, it is a decay and percentage decrease. You must take the original number as 1.0 and the percentage change as a decimal to find the multiplier. Since it is a percentage decrease, you need to subtract the decimal value of the percentage change from 1.0. Multiplier equals 1 minus 8% as decimal. To convert 8% to decimal, divide the number by 100. 8 divided by 100 equals 0.08. 1.0 take away 0.08 equals 0.92. Multiplier equals 0.92. Now, let's insert the value of the multiplier. N equals 5,000 times 0.92. 0.92 to the power of 4 equals 0.7164. 5,000 times 0.7164 equals 3,582. Robert's car will be worth £3,582 after 4 years.